Homeowners looking for bow window installation Crestview FL often want a balance of curb appeal, natural light, and long-term durability in Crestview, Florida. Custom bow windows Crestview Florida are a popular choice for expanding views, opening up living rooms, and improving front-facing exteriors across North Crestview, downtown Crestview, and surrounding Okaloosa County neighborhoods. Residential bow windows Crestview FL can be tailored to fit classic ranch homes, new construction, and renovated family homes, while modern bow windows Crestview add a sleek architectural touch. For homeowners comparing bow window installation near Crestview and bow window installation in Crestview, Florida, local sizing, code compliance, and weather conditions matter. Home bow windows Crestview, Florida also support better ventilation and a brighter indoor layout, making them a strong option for both style and function in Crestview FL. Energy savings are a major reason many residents request energy-efficient bow windows. Crestview and Insulated bow windows. Crestview FL for year-round comfort. Energy-efficient bow windows in Crestview, Florida can help reduce heat gain during hot Florida summers while keeping indoor temperatures more stable during seasonal cold snaps. Weather-resistant bow windows. Crestview, Florida, and storm-resistant bow windows. Crestview are especially valuable in Okaloosa County, where strong wind, rain, and changing weather can affect window performance. Hurricane impact bow windows. Crestview FL are often selected by homeowners who want improved protection without giving up aesthetics. Crestview FL insulated bow window upgrades can also increase resale value and improve HVAC efficiency. When homeowners need new bow windows for homes in Crestview FL, choosing insulated glass, reinforced frames, and durable seals makes a noticeable difference in comfort and utility costs. Many property owners start with bow window estimates Crestview FL to compare styles, materials, labor, and timelines before committing to a project. A local bow window company in Crestview, Florida can often provide on-site measurements, product recommendations, and pricing based on the home's structure, neighborhood exposure, and renovation goals. Affordable bow windows, Crestview FL, and affordable bow window installation. Crestview FL are frequently available in vinyl, composite, and impact-rated options for homes across Crestview, Florida. Bow window experts Crestview, Florida can explain the difference between frame thickness, glass packages, and custom projection depths. Whether the project involves bow window installation near Crestview neighborhoods or a full exterior renovation, clear estimates help homeowners understand cost factors. Premium bow window services in Crestview FL also include finish options, trim details, and structural support planning. Older homes often need bow window replacement Crestview, Florida, before a complete replacement is considered, especially when leaks, drafts, or wood damage are localized. Bow window glass replacement Crestview is a practical option when frames remain sound, but panes are cracked, fogged, or no longer energy efficient. Bow window frame replacement Crestview and bow window frame replacement Crestview Okaloosa County FL address issues such as rot, water intrusion, warping, and weakened supports. For residents needing bow window glass replacement in Crestview FL or bow window replacement near downtown Crestview FL, fast local service can prevent more expensive structural issues. Vinyl bow window replacement Crestview, Florida may be recommended if older units have repeated seal failure or outdated materials. Crestview FL bow window replacement specialists can inspect each section and advise whether targeted replacement or full bow window replacement Crestview is the better investment. Choosing qualified bow window contractors, Crestview is one of the most important steps for a successful project in Crestview, Florida. Licensed bow window replacement contractors, Crestview FL understand installation standards, local permit expectations, flashing details, and weatherproofing techniques suited to Okaloosa County homes. Best bow window installers Crestview, Florida, and custom bow window installers in Crestview FL typically offer both design support and precision installation, helping homeowners avoid alignment issues, poor sealing, and long-term water damage. Bow window installers. Crestview FL should also be familiar with structural reinforcement if an opening needs to be widened or reworked. When comparing bow window contractors near North Crestview, Florida, homeowners often look for experience, verified local service, and product knowledge. A trusted bow window replacement company, Crestview, can streamline planning from estimate to final trim work. Design flexibility is one reason bow window design services Crestview remain in demand for both renovations and new upgrades in Crestview FL. Bow window design consultation Crestview Florida can help homeowners choose the ideal number of lights, projection depth, frame color, interior finish, and glass style for a cohesive exterior look. Custom bow windows Crestview Florida are especially effective when matched to farmhouse, coastal, traditional, or contemporary homes throughout Crestview and nearby residential communities. Bay and bow window services. Crestview may also be compared together during planning, since each offers unique visual depth and room enhancement. For families interested in Crestview Florida home bow window remodeling, thoughtful design can create breakfast nooks, reading corners, or panoramic front room views. Bow window upgrades. Crestview FL are often selected to improve both function and architectural character. Full-service bow window remodeling. Crestview often goes beyond glass and framing to improve the entire exterior appearance of a home in Crestview, Florida. Bow window renovation Crestview and exterior bow window renovation. Crestview FL may include siding replacement, interior trim replacement, support brackets, insulation upgrades, and custom finishing details that refresh aging facades. Crestview Florida bow window remodeling experts frequently work on older homes where outdated windows no longer match current energy standards or aesthetic preferences. Residential bow window services Crestview Okaloosa County can also coordinate replacement with broader room remodeling or exterior improvement plans. Homeowners seeking modern bow windows Crestview often combine slim profile frames with larger glass areas for a clean, updated look. Okaloosa County bow window installation. Crestview Florida projects commonly prioritize durability, beauty, and compatibility with local architectural styles. Vinyl is a leading choice for homeowners who want low-maintenance performance, making vinyl bow windows, Crestview FL, one of the most requested upgrade options. Vinyl bow window replacement Crestview. Florida offers resistance to moisture, warping, and peeling, which is valuable in the humid climate of Crestview, Florida. Many affordable bow windows. Crestview FL are available in premium vinyl configurations that still deliver energy-efficient bow windows. Crestview and strong structural performance. Insulated bow windows. Crestview FL with multi-pane glass and quality vinyl frames help improve indoor comfort while reducing upkeep over time. For busy households, residential bow windows, Crestview FL in vinyl can provide a practical solution that combines easy cleaning with lasting curb appeal. Homeowners comparing bow window replacement Crestview products often select vinyl because it suits both standard homes and custom bow windows Crestview Florida installations. Location-specific service matters because homes across Crestview experience different exposure, traffic, and architectural conditions. Bow window installation near Crestview neighborhoods may involve suburban developments, established streets near downtown Crestview, or larger lots in North Crestview and greater Okaloosa County. Bow window contractors near North Crestview, Florida, often help homeowners upgrade front elevations with weather-ready systems designed for open wind exposure and intense sun. Bow window replacement near downtown Crestview FL may focus more on older framing, aging seals, and historic-style remodeling compatibility. Local crews handling bow window installation in Crestview, Florida, understand how neighborhood styles, HOA preferences, and regional weather patterns affect project planning. For homeowners searching bow window installation near Crestview or a local bow window company in Crestview, Florida, proximity often means faster scheduling, easier communication, and better follow-up support. A well-planned replacement project can improve comfort, safety, and home value, which is why bow window replacement company Crestview services are consistently sought by area homeowners. Crestview FL bow window replacement specialists can replace outdated units with hurricane impact bow windows, Crestview FL, weather-resistant bow windows Crestview Florida, or energy-efficient bow windows in Crestview Florida based on the property's goals. From bow window frame replacement Crestview Okaloosa County FL to bow window glass replacement Crestview. And complete bow window renovation Crestview, local professionals offer solutions for simple replacements and major upgrades alike. Premium bow window services in Crestview FL are ideal for homeowners who want standout design, structural reliability, and efficient installation. Whether the need is bow window installation, Crestview FL, bow window replacement Crestview Florida, or custom bow window installers in Crestview FL, homeowners in Crestview Florida can benefit from locally tailored bow window solutions built for lasting performance.